Good question. So it actually takes the slide, like the whole view that you have, and it makes it into a page. So like it's like this whole screen is now a slideshow page. So it's not only saving the document on when you share it to Google Drive, it's actually taking, well, here, I'll show you. It'll be a little bit easier. So I'm going to save it as a PDF, and then I'm just going to drop it into, I'm just going to keep it on the board, make it a little easier to find. So now, let's say I go back to my computer, I open up my document, I saved it as a PDF. And when I drop it into Google Drive, so it just saved like that workbook as a whole page. So now you can see all of it. So basically your view saves as a page. That's a great question.